Hi, I'm Dr. Jay Botts. I serve as the Chief Leadership Innovation Officer for Higher Education Innovation. I am the former president of the Kentucky Community and Technical College System, where I served in that position for 6 years. After a 34-year career in higher education, I can tell you that I believe higher education is at a crossroads. This is a time where we have to look at the way we have been offering our educational services and realize that the times have changed. Higher education innovation is ready to help you to navigate those changes that are ahead of us. First, we provide assessment services where we can come in, help your institution realize the challenges it has, and develop a game plan of how it moves forward. Second, we can provide coaching services to you as a president to help you develop your plans and to also develop your own future as a leader of an institution. Third, we provide workshop series that help you as a college president or your senior leadership team find out the solutions that are necessary to help. We also provide an annual conference called the HEI President's Conference, which is a 2-day conference that helps bring in the best of research and practical experiences for you and your institution. I hope you will consider reaching out to HEI, and we will help you with the solutions for the future.